for further investigation. The midday meal workers under the aegis of Cook-cum-Helper Union, Nongstoiñ, yesterday felicitated Kenneth Shadap, the present advisor of the union, in recognition of his contribution towards the welfare of the midday meal workers in the district and the state as a whole in a program held at Bishop Hall, Nongstoiñ. The leaders of the union expressed their happiness over the contribution made by Kenneth Shadap, especially in leading the fight for increasing their salaries. Kenneth Shadap thanked the union for the felicitation and expressed his commitment to continue working for the welfare of the midday meal workers.
Hakatin sisya manta kasagi na namut banduan yang memiliki paralok di bala anai bun di tinjarap di ban batai yaki mereka nasmau kani kamde kasni di naterpat yaki lada kani ketinjar teli kabupaten lada kani ketinjar renti kabupaten ngalaya penbaik bak tu kani ki paralok di ba wilayah tray bah di kam imlan salam.
And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature